This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious tomato soup using fresh tomatoes. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, 1 medium onion, and 2 cloves of garlic. Begin by washing and coring your tomatoes, then quarter them. Next, dice your onion and mince the garlic. These simple steps ensure everything is ready for cooking. Now, let's start cooking. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add your diced onion and minced garlic, sautéing them for about 5 minutes until they become fragrant and softened. Then, introduce your quartered tomatoes to the pot. Give everything a good stir to combine. This initial cooking step builds the foundational flavors for your soup. Once the tomatoes are in, let the mixture simmer for about 20 minutes, or until they are very soft and have released their juices. Next, carefully use an immersion blender to puree the soup directly in the pot until it reaches your desired smoothness. Finally, stir in about 1/2 cup of fresh basil, then season generously with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. To finish, bring your beautifully blended soup to a gentle simmer for another 5 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld perfectly. Taste and adjust the seasonings as needed. Sometimes a small pinch of sugar can balance the acidity. Your homemade fresh tomato soup is now ready. Serve it hot, perhaps with a swirl of cream or a sprinkle of crunchy croutons for an extra touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.